In this video, I'll show you how to connect your smart TV to your phone's hotspot so you can stream anywhere without Wi-Fi. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your phone hotspot. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Network and Internet, or similar. Tap on Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot. Turn on the Mobile Hotspot or Wi-Fi Hotspot. Note the hotspot name, SSID, and password. Step 2. Open Network Settings on your smart TV. Turn on your smart TV. Using your remote, go to Settings. Find Network or Wi-Fi Settings. Step 3. Connect to your phone hotspot. Select Wi-Fi and scan for available networks. Find your phone's hotspot name, SSID, in the list. Select it and enter the password you noted earlier. Click Connect. Step 4. Test your connection. Once connected, open an app like YouTube or Netflix to check if the internet works. If the connection is slow, try moving your phone closer to the TV or reducing the number of devices connected to your hotspot. That's it. You're now connected to your phone hotspot and can enjoy streaming on your smart TV wherever you are.